So, just fitted one of our electric roller shutters, ProRoll roller shutters on the next gen 2023 Ranger. Just quickly show you a little bit on this. So, this one's been fitted with our roller shutter crossbars. Really strong, sturdy, mount bites, everything on there. Perfect addition to our roller shutter. I'll just quickly show you it operating. So, these are the key fobs that come with it. Simple. Opens it up. You can stop it wherever you want. Back. I'll just open this up fully. So I'll just drop the tailgate. Come in here. We've got the interior light. Nice simple fitting for the clamps. We've got drainage front and rear. So rear drain pipes here. Rear drain pipes at the front.
Rear drain pipes at the front.
Rear drain pipes at the front, yeah. Rear drain pipes everywhere, apparently. So yeah, really sleek. So you get two fobs. You get an app for your phone, and then you also get this little Bluetooth button here. So this Bluetooth button comes with a 3M pad, and you can fit this wherever you want. So. So, quite a lot of people, you come in here, will fit this here. So that is where the original switch is mounted for the genuine roller shutter. So quite a lot of people mount this in here, and then you can just operate it from there. This button doesn't have a stop function. It is only fully open or closed, but you can mount that in the bed. Some people also put it in the cab. I've known people mount it here, wherever you want really. So nice little handy feature. So it's an extra operation on there. So yeah, that's it. Really nice. To quickly show you the way the cover seals, which I think is really clever. So we've got this nice rubber seal that tucks underneath here, and it runs, sorry, get in the way, runs all nice and smooth down here. So it creates a really good seal at the front. And we've also got this seal at the front, very difficult to pick on the camera I think, but down here there's a seal that overlaps down the back of the bed. We have also made this longer, so the next batch coming in will have a longer seal. Yeah, so that's it.
Where would I get one of these things?
You can get one from nextgenranger.co.uk.
I thought you could.
Cheers guys.